Wow. Hey, Ace. Hi, how you doing? Hi. Yeah, I have everybody muted right now, but we're playing Dying Light. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna co-op through this game. I have never played this. You're bored, so you want to check me out. Okay. Yes. Uh, yeah, so I'm back. I came back from break. I'm all rested and relaxed, I think. And yeah, now I'm ready and raring to go. Yeah, we've been talking about this for the last couple of days, so here we are. We're gonna play some Dying Light co-op, and I'm gonna deafen myself in a moment. And apparently Sarge has played this game quite a lot, so he's gonna kill me. And it's Cherry's birthday, so I'm thinking about what to tweet. Yeah, Cherry, um, we already did the happy birthday song last night. I even DM'd her and said happy birthday. Have an awesome day. So yeah. Hi Jem, how are you doing? Glad to see you here. Yeah. So I am going to deafen myself and bring them in. Hey, hello.
Hold on. Okay. Give me one sec, because I got a random notification saying my sound alerts browser source is offline.
Your browser source offline? What?
Yeah, my
Oh
so I
no.
got so I implemented a sound alerts panel so people can play bits for sounds
Mm-hmm.
because I finally got around to doing that. And tell me if you heard that, Shineko.
Yeah. I don't know.
That should have worked.
I'm good, Jem. Thank you very much.
I mean, try again.
Don't tell her what I'm going to do. Don't tell her? Who? What? Shoneko or Sarge. It's Shoneko or Sarge in here.
I'm hoping
Yeah.
it came. Did it actually work on stream?
Don't tell Cher.
Yeah, actually
Oh,
works.
okay, yeah. No,
Okay.
secret, secret.
I'm just hoping it doesn't go through like my
But
desktop audio as well.
I think it's low. Super low.
Oh yeah, then it's going off my desktop audio, not an actual like OB. Oh no. Oh, that's gonna be a drag.
Oh no.
Yeah,
I can't
just letting you
do
guys
that on
know,
Teams.
Sarge is also streaming
You have to pay
at
for them
this
with
time.
bits.
Here, let me
I know.
With the sounds with bits.
throw this up.
So I can like just,
You know.
Yeah, if you don't follow Sarge right now, better go and. Yeah, he's the birthday boy tomorrow,
it.
so. Yes.
Alright. Wicked.
Hmm?
You guys ready to go?
Heck yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Let me just.
Alright. I'm changing my scene. Because like, oh wait.
Wait.
I forgot to actually add your PNG. Whoops.
Oh, God.
Oh, whoops. Alright, hold on. Alright, this is cool. Professional streamer, by the way.
You're a bigger streamer than I, Sarge.
Not at this rate, dude, not for long.
Are you sure about that?
I've streamed twice in the past, like, week and a half.
Imagine being a streamer.
I mean,
Imagine being a streamer.
I haven't streamed. If we're going by Saturday, it would have been 1 week, so almost a week and a half now.
I streamed, you motherfucker. That goes
Bad word. Oh my god.
mature stream, by the way.
You want to play games, Ace? Why?
Yeah,
Why can't you
I'm
play
already
games?
moving around.
Yeah, imagine being a streamer couldn't be me. Do you stream, Ace?
Hooray! We're racing, guys.
Now,
Oh,
already. Imagine not.
Alright, I
waiting.
gotta turn this. I gotta actually turn this down. I actually have to, like, hear you guys. Imagine playing a co-op game but not being able to hear everyone.
wait, do I have to make the game type not public, right? Private?
Yes. But I think that only matters for host.
Yeah. So, let me.
We'll see how our connection is.
Oh wait, friends only. That
First.
that makes much more sense.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Hey, yo, Pog. Sit there,
How hard are we making it?
normal.
Gotcha.
Whatever. Boss.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Activated.
That's right.
Commence
Everyone's
briefing.
still setting it up.
Data on the subject, Kadir Suleiman.
That's right.
A local political figure hired to maintain order after the outbreak. His brother
So I'm at a
died in
disadvantage.
disease-related incident before we were
No,
able to
it's
evacuate
fine.
him.
Just let me
Suleiman
know when
blamed the GRE for Hassan's death.
One night.
He stole a highly sensitive file which became his bargaining chip
Apparently
against
it's
the GRE. with
way too
instructions
loud
to
still.
publicize it if anything happened to him. Data on the subject.
I turned it down to
Stolen
like
file.
1
It
quarter.
details the incomplete process
of
of synthesizing a
full
cure
bar.
for the virus. If implemented in its current state, the produced substance may be extremely toxic. Also, the file contains full description of the Marion's structure. Any attempt to use it would result in countless lives lost.
So like you would have to alt tab out of the game and
Must
you know
be
right
recovered.
your speaker.
Further information, current status.
Right, so
Suleiman
that-
sent the file to an associate
Like, you turn
unknown
it
to
down
us,
there,
with
you
instructions to
also turn it on
publicize it
sound.
at his command at any time. To counter that, we instituted a citywide communication jam, preventing him from publicizing the file. Your GRE-issued radio can overcome that jamming. It is your lifeline. Do not lose it.
You know what? It's
Suleiman
probably a
has
good
since
idea.
gone underground and begun using a different name. We have reason to believe he now leads one of the two main factions operating within the city.
Yes, let me just go ahead
You are to find Suleiman and locate the stolen file in order to save mankind from a disaster of unprecedented proportions.
God bless you, Badger. God fucking bless you. Alright, I'll be right back.
I told you that wasn't a normal drop shoot.
Break his legs, then take him to rise.
Back up! All of you!
Stop! Loud noises draw them. Fall back! Fall back!
We have to move!
Oh, what the hell? I love it. I love to see it. I'm guessing everyone's so maybe.
Yeah, I'm still in the intro cutscene.
I'm literally outside of 90.
Get the door open!
I have not triggered it yet. That goes always last. Hey, fish base.
Tower, this is Jade. Get sick bay ready. Got a guy with a bad head wound and a bite on one arm.
Oh shit, Amir's hurt.
No,
Oh yeah.
Amir
You know,
is gone.
okay. So I gotta ask you
but
guys.
I'm bringing in someone who might still survive.
One of us? Open micing and talking to people in my
We'll
chat.
see.
They choose to talk, or should I just go like push to talk or push to mute?
It's okay, I guess.
I mean, it could be considered. It could be viewed as rude.
Oh, God. Ugh.
Emmy, do you care?
Well, I couldn't hear you. Apparently I had it too loud still.
Oh my.
I had it like at a fourth of what it was, and I thought it was down quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to.
Yeah, when that happens, just Alt Tab, right click your speaker, go to volume mixer, and then just shut it down by bass, and then move it up in in-game settings, and then turn it up even further in slobs. What I was telling Shineko was, if you guys would be bothered if I didn't choose to use push to talk.
Oh, fine.
Oh, that's fine with me.
Push to mute.
You're scared.
Okay.
Not scared. Then pinch
Because I know like everyone has like their own thing. So I mean, I figured I would just like try to accommodate.
What if he's a zombie?
Yeah, let me talk to my chat.
Yeah, because let's be real, Shineko's the biggest streamer out here.
Yes, Shineko.
But
He has more friends and followers than me on Twitch. She.
Yes, yeah. Okay, now I can do the options. Okay. What?
Wonderful.
What the hell?
Emerald, is your PC burning? Oh lord.
oh no.
Oh lord. Here, let me. Yeah, go deal. Okay,
Oh, no.
wonderful. He just runs downstairs. Ma, what are you doing? No, wait, he's a butler. He just runs into the kitchen. Chefs, what the fuck?
Imagine.
You're supposed to be cooking food, not burning the food.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Where's
Donkeys.
that moment she messages you just saying that she found the lamb sauce? I may actually get rid of this fucking room cursor. Kind of tempted to.
Oh.
Alright, you already talked to the boss, you said, right?
Yep.
Alright. I'm gonna open up Emerald's stream real quick, just so I can see where he's at, and if he needs any help fighting settings. Aw, shit. Gotta love Raheem. Huh, that's better. Wait a minute.
Wait. I'm waiting.
Hold
What's
on.
up? I'm holding up.
Yeah, this is still actually pretty loud, not gonna lie. Oh, this is a yikes.
Why?
Hold on. I'm not skipping this cutscene, so. Sits down, immediately stands back up. I'm not lazy. Oh, I see. What
I
a
see.
dick. Alright, yeah, Emerald, I think, is still very much in the very beginning of the game.
Yep.
So Omega lol. Literally woke up after 3 days in a like literally knocked the fuck out. Oh my god. So wait, where exactly are you then, Shineko?
I just talked to the boss, and yeah, that's it.
Oh, so you're still sitting in that room then?
Yep.
Okay, wonderful. Here, quick, let me just jump out the window and then down like 800 flights.
You'll be fine.
More like 20.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Just a normal day.
Meanwhile, I'm also messaging in Emerald's chat. Just, literally memeing on the fact that I. Alright. Like, look outside. Like, look at this shit. Thing is, I wonder if we should do like a very early bridge run.
I mean, I have an idea.
What do you mean you have an idea?
No, I have an idea.
What's your idea?
This is the idea. You do
Are
the
you-
thinking, and I do nothing.
You do the thinking, and I do fucking nothing.
Amazing.
Lovely. I hope Emerald, isn't burning to death.
Yeah. I hope so too.
Hey, you're not burning to death.
The people that I live with neglected to tell me that the frickin' fire alarm batteries are running low, and when they do, they get really hungry and they get really angry. So
Oh, okay. Did you end up having to like replace them, or?
I'm gonna need to replace the batteries. So you might hear a frickin' beep every now and then for no reason whatsoever. God.
Just take out the batteries.
I took out the batteries and it goes frickin' bonkers on me.
Oh no.
So these are frickin' fire alarm batteries that are just ridiculous as all heck for no reason whatsoever.
Lovely.
I see that Sarge followed me and he's like, "Oh, quality content, sure."
Yeah. Now I know I too am following Emerald.
Hi, Melon. Welcome, Melon.
I was only
I'm gonna
DMing myself.
I'm gonna turn this way down because it was louder than I thought it'd be. Holy heck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have mine pretty low like that too. I personally like subtitles just because it's great.
Yeah.
If you scroll all the way down, I think is other settings.
Other settings?
Did you remember to turn off film grain?
Yes, I did. Filgrame and motion blur. Hi, Dor. How's it going, Dor?
All right. I will now get out of your chat. You can now have fun. I don't need to keep making fun of myself in your chat now. Easy clap.
Okay, actually, I do have to make mention of one thing. So, I have never I don't think I've ever actually played a freaking zombie game before.
Oh, wonderful.
So
you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine.
and this is coming from a guy that actually owns like Dead Rising. I don't think I've ever played a zombie game ever.
So I want to play Dead Rising.
Okay, are we racing now or?
We're waiting for you to talk to the boss.
The boss.
Yeah, the boss.
Okay.
And then I'm waiting outside the next checkpoint. So, yeah. When you finally catch up, then, we're going.
Check.
Then it's all literally gonna be about PC load speeds.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. I mean, remember, we're all we're not in co-op right now, so it's not gonna like matter.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
For now.
Got some children. 31. Oh, what the hell? Check.
Alright, Emerald.
Check the group. What?
No, you don't need to worry about it. It's just Ace messaging in it.
Wait, maybe it's.
He posted a happy birthday Cheru post.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need to
on Twitter, yeah.
turn up desktop. Anyways, make sure you guys are up.
Little did he know, Sean and I stayed up. Well, we didn't even need to stay up. We literally just waited until 6 p.m. our time.
Yeah, same here. I was there with you.
Yeah.
I think Ace was there even.
Yeah, I mean, well, we already all said happy birthday to you.
Yeah, somebody recorded it. I think it was Ace.
Wait, really?
Yeah,
Oh, lovely.
Ace was sleepy.
Ace was sleepy.
Sleepy.
Yeah, he did a recording.
Oh, lovely.
It's in no voice actually.
Is it actually no? Wait, what? Was it this really scuffed singing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know what?
lovely.
You know what? It made her happy. So heck yeah.
I mean, yeah. I would assume as much.
Can I, like, fell off the map?
Do you ever, like, just sit here and then wonder, like, how fucked you are? Financially? Like, just to hear me, like, I haven't looked at my bank account in a while.
Oh no.
Ace is like, it says Ayo Sarge.
Hey yo.
Tell Ace if he wants to talk to me, he can come to my chat.
I know my singing is scuffed. Okay, that's what he said.
Yo. You didn't hear me singing in Spanish.
I didn't even. I
No.
there was so much going on. I don't think I heard any individual voices.
No, I didn't. It was all just like melded into each other.
Oh God.
There it goes again. So Emerald, maybe it may be a good idea for you to go push to talk. Oh God. Hopefully.
Oh no. Oh, nice. Easy.
It's a Bob.
Okay, what up?
It's a bomb. All right, you're talking to the boss now. The boss man.
Okay.
Totally the boss man.
Man, this God, this started off super scuffed already. Yeah, really on brand.
Ah, yes.
Fuck!
Oh my word.
Okay, the funny thing is it keeps going off in like a few seconds.
So, the real question is how are you gonna deal with this?
I had no idea. We don't have the batteries for this. Like, the other thing that I could think of is rip it out of the ceiling, but...
I think, oh lord, I think that's kind of like moderately illegal.
Probably. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Apparently, they also went to the store to get batteries specifically for this thing, like earlier today, and forgot to get the batteries.
Tell them to go back out immediately.
Yeah. Oh god. I think one of them went out like just now, but oh my gosh.
On the upside, actually, what I would do then is, I would just go to push to talk about you
Yeah.
in Discord.
Let me.
For your stream, though, I have no idea.
I have to turn it on. Oh, Grim, thank you for the host.
Imagine being hosted by Grim.
Imagine.
Imagine.
I wish.
Let me change this up. Let's talk. What?
Yeah, hurry up and talk to him.
There we go. How's that? Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yeah.
Good. Gotta
Hi.
push the talk.
Oh no.
Hi, Gold.
Sarge,
Hi.
dude.
Oh,
What's up,
Abu,
guys?
Abu says hi
Hey,
to
Grim,
Show
it was
and
a
Sarge.
Grim, it was a joke. Calm down. I see the Sarge, dude. Not much, guys. Just waiting on Emerald. Also, I'm gonna say this now. Emerald's fire alarm is going off, so be very wary of what your volume's at.
Again, for no reason.
Meanwhile, I literally just go back to your stream just to see if you're talking to the guy already, and then you shout me out. What the fuck, man?
Yeah, because I'm playing with you, so I mean, like, shout you out to any person that comes in, you know?
That's fair. That is fair. Meanwhile, I'm just BMing. I'm just being me.
Want me to go to your chat and just frickin' start throwing dad jokes? Huh?
Absolutely.
Do it.
Alright, talk to the guy. Remember, it's a cinematic, so you're gonna have to deal with it.
That's better. Do you remember anything? Know what you are?
Yeah, I can see this is some kind of shelter.
And the second you get to the elevator, that's when we get going.
A couple of months ago, and we've been here ever since.
Elevator.
Scavenging and rescuing.
Yeah, I wanted to thank that girl.
We could.
That's exactly how it goes, Grim.
Already be chewing
Just
some of the
continuous
food.
beeping.
Your antizen was told
And it's not me. I actually don't have a fire alarm.
only thing Jade could
Beep,
salvage
beep,
was the
beep.
radio.
Oh, great.
Imagine.
Back, please.
Thank God I don't have a fire alarm.
I need it more than you do.
No, that's not the
It's probably a really bad thing to say, but...
Oh no.
Fine. Take it.
Ah, shit. Here we go again. Pretty well.
Foreigners put their lives in danger for guys like you. So now you take the antizen meant for someone else, and you won't even share your gear with us? I don't have time
I can't wait for Emerald to find out.
I've lost contact with one of our
What?
guys.
Find out what?
So,
Radios were stuck.
oh man, so there's a strat we can do, alright?
Do something for
The
me.
strat involves going to a mid/end game part of the map and looting. But I don't think it may be in the cards.
That lost guy I
Let's
mentioned,
do it. Why
he's
not?
only on the 13th floor, but you might as well be trapped in a mine cave. Come back.
Let's see how far we can go first. Cause like it is a parkour like fucking maze.
In charge here.
And man, it is a trip.
Oh no.
Shineko, you're cute, deal with it.
No.
Hey, Ace. Ace. I did see that message. Do you want mod? I can give you mod if you like. You've been around enough. So... I trust you with that. Um that was the right command, I think. I don't know why it's I don't know why it's not working. I just tried to mod Ace and it's not working for no reason. Like add Ace as a moderator. And I did slash mod Ace Club, and it did nothing. God. Exactly. Guess what just happened? Okay. I needed to wait for the bomb to stop blowing up. Okay. Ace is no mod. Okay, now we got it. Cherry saw Ace's tweet. I'll need to check that out myself. Same. Ah, heck yeah. I have not talked to Cherry all that much. I think last night was the first time Cherry probably heard my voice. Last couple of times I've just been texting that in the thing. The baby ran off. Good. Okay. Oh, it was the first time she heard my voice. I am ready. I was super aggressive to the first zombie. Emmy Sergeant Encho? Hell yeah. Hey Val, how are you doing? Melon just saw me go ham on the first zombie I saw.